I hope you're all well. Today we are going to cover our envelope and box tool. Now I know you're all probably pros at this by now, but I did want to do a video that you can all refer to if you need to refresh or maybe try something new. This is the video you can come back to time and time again. So it's that wonderful box and envelope maker that makes things so much easier. Okay, it has the box sizes here and the envelope sizes here, and it's just fun and so easy. That makes me very happy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you mine. So let me just bring mine in here. I'm not going to open this one. So with the tool, it comes as it is straight out of the packet. It comes with your score tool too. It has the extender arm for the larger projects, particularly the boxes. You're going to need this extender arm, and it also comes with the instructional sheet. I would probably say once you've done it once, you're probably not going to need this, but don't throw it away, guys. Make sure you laminate it or save it. So you've got the box and the envelopes there. It is as easy as 1, 2, 3. When I show you once, you're going to be like, I get it, Tony, I totally get it. So you have your boxes sizes here, and I'm going to cover this in a different video, but on the right here we have envelopes, and I think probably you're going to use this the most, but maybe we'll see, because it's so fun with both. And you have your card size, so whatever card size you've made, the paper size you need to cut to, and then you have the score line. It couldn't be more simpler, honestly. It's got rubber feet so it doesn't disappear on your table. So I'm going to make a 5x7 envelope. So 5x7, and it says cut some paper at 9.5 by 9.5. Okay, and then my score line is 4. So if I go to the score line here, okay, it says score, and then they've got inches, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can see the 4 here. So I'm going to do it on the white side so you can see exactly what I'm doing, okay? I'm going to pop my cardstock in, and I'm going to pop it at line 4. Now you only have to line this one up once. Forget about everything else and I'll show you, okay? So to score it, it is quite simply down here and across here. Now if you're thinking, well, I can't see its score line, it's going to give me a wobbly line. I promise you it won't. So you just put your groove in here and you pull down. So and then you do it here, and then you just follow the line all the way across. So there is my first line of my envelope. But to get a pretty envelope, you need to punch. Okay, perfect. Then all you're going to do is you're going to twist, and this line, all you're going to do is line it back up with this line here. See this line? First line? I'm going to pop it back in, and I've lined it back up with that line down there. And then I'm just going to go across and punch. Twist. Match this line back up to this line. Across and punch. Twist. Line this line up here. Pop it back in. As you can see, the lines are actually there, so it's there. And then punch. Then I have my envelope. Look at that. So let's show you how we put it together. How easy was that? And then all we do and then we take our tape pen, and what I like to do is I like to just tuck in this little tail. Not necessary, but I like to, so I'm just going to fold that little tail in there, and it just gives me a nicer finish on my card. And then I'm going to bring my board back in, because the beauty about this board is it gives you a nice shot board finish. So up here is your corner punch, so I'm just going to pop this into the corner here, and then I've got a lovely rounded envelope there. So there we go. How beautiful is that? So shall we do a different size together? So that was like the experiment. Let's do one more just to confirm we know exactly how the system works, okay? So let's have a look on our envelope board and decide which one we're going to do here. So paper size, let's go, oh gosh, let's do a 5.5 by a 5.5 envelope. So it says paper, you need to do 9 by 9. And you need to score on the 4.5 this time, not 4. Okay, so let's get a 9 by 9 piece of paper. Let's cut that together very quickly. I'll just grab some paper here from my stash. In fact, let's do a nice patterned piece. Let's see if I've got a nice patterned piece for you all. Oh, this is pretty, look. So let's cut paper. And did it say 9 by 9? Yeah, 9 by 9. So let's do that. So 9 on my cutter here. Just turn it around. 9 by 9. There we go. And then let's bring our tool back into play here. So 9 by 9, and it says score at 4.5. Let me just get my tool. Here we go. And I'll do it on the white side again so you can see. So I'm going to pop my card in, and the last time we did 4, this time it says 4.5. So take it to 4.5. Okay, then we go down. So we follow this sort of V system down as far as it'll go, and across. And we punch. Every time we punch. Then we're going to twist to this line. We're going to match this line back up here with this line as we did the score line. And then we go across and punch. Then we twist. We match this line to this line again. And we go across and we punch. And we turn again. And this line to this line. And we punch. And just make sure your line matches up. Oopsie daisy. Like so. How easy? How easy? It couldn't be any easier. So let's just move this out of the way. Give it a good old burnish on there. And then we'll take our tape pen. Days. Let me just make sure. Yeah, that's correct. And then look at that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to corner around here. Once you've done it once, you might make a mistake. Do it on some plain paper first. Don't ruin your best cardstock. And do it on some plain paper first. Once you're happy, you've done the twist and punch, twist and punch, twist and punch. You're going to have the most amazing envelopes. Check this out. So let me just show you some examples here. As long as you follow and you cut the cardstock to the right size, you're going to be able to make lots of different types of envelopes. Think about all of the papers that you've got in your stash that you're going to be able to get out, multi-make as well, get them in bags, sell them if you want to. And you can make your own unique sizes too. And I think it's wonderful to have those incredible papers that we all love and adore and stroke and make the most exquisite coordinating envelopes. Absolutely wonderful. I mean, it's just a wow factor for me. I absolutely love things that coordinate. So don't forget, it is your box and envelope maker. Make sure you tune in for video number 2 because we're going to make some amazing boxes from this lovely category here. Have a great day, guys. I will see you all later. Bye.